Okay, so today, I mean, welcome back to Look at Auto, that's obvious. We're picking up the truck from the shop, from getting a lift, rims, and tires. Now, if you guys know from the F250, I got that one leveled, then 4-inch, then a 6-inch. And by the time I got rid of that truck, wasn't happy with the 6-inch. Should have just left it at a 4-inch. That's why I didn't do that to the GMC. The GMC I only leveled, actually. But I don't like really big lifts. I don't like them too big. So I'm hoping 4 inches is not too big with this. Being that it's Super Duty, it's already bigger. So we're about to find out. It's right around the corner here. I'm praying it's sitting outside. So you guys can maybe see my reaction. I guess we'll find out if it's too big. Look at this truck. Look at it. Would you just look at it? Damn. So that is the 4-inch Readylift with 20x9 Hurricanes, 38 by 13.5 Nitto Ridge Grapplers, which actually come out to, per Nitto's site, 37 3/4 by 13.5. So it's actually a 1/4 inch shy of 38. Man, that looks good, doesn't it? Damn. Man, I'm telling you. Okay, so I'm 6'1", right? So let's swap around here. All right, so you guys can judge, right? So I'm 6'1". You see where the window is now, 4-inch, 38s. Let's go back to the house.